Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we'll start today by question number 6. This is exercise 1b. So let's continue. In last video, I told you about how to form a completing a square equation. So now we'll see how to solve this quadratic equation by using completing the squares method. Okay, so in this video, we'll solve these equations by completing the squares. We'll use the trick as it is. Let's start. So over here, as I told you, we'll ignore this constant term. We'll try and complete this equation as a whole square term. So b over here is, so a is just x, b over here is half of 8, which is 4. So what I will do, I need 16, which is b square. I need it over here. So we'll add 16 and subtract 16 over here. You get x square plus 8x plus of 16. This completes our a plus b whole square formula, and minus of 16 minus 9 is equal to 0. All right, so from here we get x plus of 4 whole square and minus of, now we get 25, which is equal to 0. All right, so now what I get is x plus of 4 whole square is equal to 25. I will square root both sides. So taking a square root both sides. So taking a square root both sides gives us x plus of 4 is equal to plus minus of root of 25 is 5. And this gives us x is equal to negative 4 plus minus of 5. That gives us x is equal to negative 4 plus of 5. X is equal to negative 4 minus of 5. So x is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus of 9. So these are our answers. Let's move to next question. Okay, same, we'll just focus on x square and x term. We'll ignore the constant term. So this is 2b is 4, b is 2, so b square will be 4. We'll add and subtract 4. We get x square plus of 4x plus of 4 minus of 4 minus of 12 is equal to 0, right? So we'll complete our square over here. We get x plus of 2 whole square minus of 16 is equal to 0. X plus of 2 whole square is equal to 16. X taking square roots both sides. So if we take square root both sides, we get x plus of 2 is equal to plus and minus of 4. Why we write plus and minus? Because if I take a square of negative 4, that is also 16, and if I take square of 4, that is also 16. So if I'm squaring, I'm taking a square root of 16. We don't know which one is it. Is it negative 4 or positive 4? So we take both, right? So x is equal to negative 2 plus minus of 4. X is equal to minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6, or x is equal to minus 2 plus 4, that is equal to 2. Let's go to next question. Okay, again focusing on first two terms. So 2b is now negative, means a minus b whole square. So we'll ignore negative. So 2b is 2. It means b is equal to 1. It means b square is also 1. So we get x square minus 2x plus of 1 minus 1 minus of 35 is equal to 0. Clear? Completing the squares. So formalize x minus 1 whole square and minus of 36 is equal to 0. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 36. X minus 1 is equal to plus minus of 6. X is equal to 1 plus minus 6. So we get over here, so we can write it as x is equal to 1 plus 6, that is 7, or x is equal to 1 minus 6, that is minus of 5. I hope it is clear. First two terms, b is equal to, because a is just x, that's why we are taking 2b as the coefficient of x. So b is equal to 2b is equal to 9, b is equal to 9 by 2, b square is equal to 81 by 4. We'll add that, x square minus 9x plus 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus of 14 is equal to 0. Right? So over here we get x, and we can say that it is a whole square of 9 by 2, and we get negative 81 by 4 and plus of 14 is equal to 0. So equation becomes x minus 9 by 2 whole square is equal to 81 by 4, and we'll take LCM over here. We get 56 in subtraction, and x minus 9 by 2 whole square is equal to, if we subtract this, we get 25 by 4. So x minus 9 by 2, taking square root, so taking square root both sides, we get x minus 9 by 2 is equal to square root of 25 is 5, square root of 4 is 2, and plus minus signs. So x becomes 9 by 2 plus minus of 5 by 2. We get x is equal to 9 by 2 plus 5 by 2, or x is equal to 9 by 2 minus 5 by 2. We get x is equal to, so we'll add these, 14 by 2, which is 7, or x is equal to, we'll subtract these, because the denominator is same, so I don't need to take LCM, so we can directly add and subtract. So 4 by 2, which is 2. So these are the two values. Alright, first two terms only. 2b is 3, b is equal to 3 by 2, so b is 3 by 2, b square is equal to 9 by 4. So what we'll do, we'll add 9 by 4 and subtract 9 by 4. X square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 18 is equal to 0. Right? So completing the squares, x plus 3 by 2 whole square, and we get 9 by 4 minus 18 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 18 plus 9 by 4. We get x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, we'll take LCM over here, we'll multiply 18 by 4, so we get 72 plus of 9 by 4. X plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 81 by 4. X plus 3 by 2 whole, we can take square root. This gives us, taking square root, we just left with x plus 3 by 2 is equal to plus minus of 9 by 2. X is equal to x is equal to negative 3 by 2 plus minus of 9 by 2. It means we get two quantities, that is x is equal to negative 3 by 2 plus of 9 by 2, or x is equal to negative 3 by 2 minus of 9 by 2. X is equal to LCM 9 minus 3, that is 6. 6 by 2 is 3, or x is equal to, we'll add these, we get 12 by 2, which is negative 6. So these are the two answers. Okay. 2b is equal to 9. B is equal to 9 by 2. B square is equal to 81 by 4. Clear? X square plus 9x plus 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4 minus of 10 is equal to 0. X square plus 9x plus 81 by 4 and is equal to 81 by 4 minus plus 10. We get x plus of 9 by 2 whole square is equal to, we'll add these, we get 121 by 4, taking square root both sides, we get x plus 9 by 2 is equal to 11 by 4, 11 by 2 and plus minus. X is equal to negative 9 by 2 and plus minus 11 by 2. X is equal to, if we take negative, we get 20 by 2, that is negative 10 by negative 10 only. And if we take positive, we get 2 by 2, that is 1. So these are our answers. So we can get our answer in swords. So they are saying that leave them in swords, we don't need to simplify them. Let's start same way. So 2b is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, so x square b square is equal to 4. We'll add and subtract that. X square plus 4x plus 4 minus of 4 minus of 7 is equal to 0. So we get x square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 11. We get over here x plus 2 whole square is equal to 11. X plus 2 is equal to plus minus root of 11. So our answer over here is, so we get x is equal to negative 2 plus minus root of 11. Clear? We don't need to simplify this. Let's, so b is equal to 2b is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, b square is equal to 25, x square minus 10x and plus of 25 minus 25 plus of 2 is equal to 0. So this will be our a plus b whole square, or over here a minus b whole square. So x minus 5 whole square is equal to 25 minus 2. X minus 5 whole square is equal to 23. X minus 5 is equal to plus minus root of 23. X is equal to 5 plus minus root of 23. That's our answer. I hope it is clear. Let's proceed. So b is 8, 2b is 8, b is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4, b square is equal to 16. X square plus 8x plus of 16 minus of 16 minus of 1 is equal to 0. we get x square plus 8x plus of 16. So this will give us a plus b whole square. Sorry, not right now, but it will convert into a plus b whole square, and we get is equal to 17. So this get x plus of 4 whole square is equal to 17. X plus 4 is equal to plus minus root of 17. X is equal to minus 4 plus minus and root of 17. I hope it is clear. All right. So now what we'll do, we'll take 2 common. We get x square minus 2x, and a negative 5 is equal to 0. So what we can do is we can write it as x square minus 2x is equal to 5 by 2. All right. Directly take it to the other side. 2b is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, b square is equal to 1. So we get x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. So x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1. So now what we get is x square, we can convert this to a whole square. We get x minus of 1 whole square is equal to 5 by 2 minus of 3, minus of 2, and we get x minus 1 is equal to plus minus, so we get 3 by 2 over here, 3 by 2, and this will give us plus minus root of 3 and root of 2. So we get x is equal to 1 plus minus root of 3 by 2. This is our answer. So one will be plus 1 plus root of 3 by 2, other will be 1 minus root of 3 by 2. Alright, so now we'll take 2 common. X square plus 3x, and we'll take this 3 to the other side, negative of 3. X square plus 3x is equal to minus 3 by 2. We'll complete the square over here. 2b is equal to 3, b is equal to 3 by 2, b square is equal to 9 by 4. X square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now we are getting this value. We'll complete this square term. So we get a plus b whole square. So a is x and b is 3 by 2 whole square, and we'll take negative 9 by 4 to the other side. We get 9 by 4 minus 3 by 2. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 4, and we get 9 minus 6. So x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. X plus 3 by 2 is equal to plus minus root of 3 by 4. X is equal to negative 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by root of 3 by 2. Root of 4 is 2. So this is final answer. I hope it is clear. Alright. Again, we'll take 2 common. We get x square minus 4x, and minus of 3 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4x times 2 is equal to 3. X square minus 4x is equal to 3 by 2. We need to complete a minus b whole square over here. So 2b is equal to 4. b is equal to 2. b square is equal to 4. So we'll add 4 and subtract 4. X square minus 4x plus a 4 minus a 4 is equal to 3 by 2. Alright. So this will give us a whole square. So x minus of 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 2 plus of 4. X minus 2 whole square is equal to 3 plus 8 by 2. X minus 2 is equal to root of 3 plus 8 is 11 by 2. So x is equal to, and we get plus minus also, and x is equal to 2 plus minus root of 11 by 2. So this is our final answer. Okay. So first of all, we need to simplify this equation. So we are having 5 by x plus of 2 plus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to. We need to take LCM over here, or we can also see these two denominators are different. We'll multiply with x plus of 2 and x minus 4. So what do I mean? X plus 2, x minus 4 times 5 by x plus of 2 plus x plus 2 x minus 4 times 3 by x minus 4. So we are multiplying with both the denominator functions is equal to x plus of 2. So we'll multiply both sides, and x minus 4 times 2. X plus 2 gets cancelled out with x plus 2, x minus 4 gets cancelled out with x minus 4. We are just left with x minus of 4 times 5 plus x plus of 2 times 3 is equal to 2 times x plus of 2. Right? We get 5x minus 20 plus 3x yeah. So 5x minus 20 plus 3x plus of 6 is equal to, we'll multiply this over here. So 2 times x square minus 4x plus 2x and minus of 8. We get 8x and minus of 14 is equal to 2 times x square minus 2x minus 8. So we'll divide it by 2. We get 4x minus 7 and is equal to x square minus 2x minus of 8. So we'll bring this to the right hand side. We get 0 is equal to x square minus 2x minus 4x minus 8 plus of 7. We get x square minus 6x and minus of 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll simplify it by completing the squares. First two terms, b is equal to 2b is equal to 6, b is equal to 3, b square is equal to 9. So x square minus 6x plus of 9 minus of 9 minus of 1 is equal to 0. So completing this, we get x minus of 3 whole square minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 10. And from here we get x minus 3 is equal to plus minus root of 10. X is equal to 3 plus minus root of 10. So that's our final answer. Okay, so now we are given a right angle triangle. The diagram shows a right angle triangle with dimensions x, 10 and 2x plus 5. We need to find the value of x. So since it's a right angle triangle, so it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem, x square is equal to h square is equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So h over here is 10, p is x, and b is 2x plus of 5, right? We'll substitute these values. We get 10 square is equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 square. Now we get 100 is equal to x square plus, we'll open this whole square, we get 4x square plus of 20x and plus of 25. So we'll simplify it. 4x square plus x square, that gives us 5x square, 5x square and 20x and 25 minus 100 minus 75 is equal to 0. Now I can take 5 common. I am left with x square and 4x and minus of 15 is equal to 0. So I took 5 common and sent it to the right hand side. It got multiplied with 5 was dividing 0, so 0 at the right hand side. Now completing the squares. So just first two terms. 2b is equal to 4. B is equal to 2. B square is equal to 4. So x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 4 minus 15 is equal to 0. X plus 2 whole square is equal to 19. X plus 2 is equal to plus minus root of 19. And x is equal to minus 2 plus minus root of 19. So this is our final answer. I hope it is clear. Okay, let's continue. Now this is a bit tricky. We have 3x square plus 5x minus 7 raised to power 4 is equal to 1. From here, if we take root of 4, we can either get 3x square plus 5x, because it is even number. It can change the signs. So it either we can get 3x square plus 5x minus 7 is equal to 1, or we can get 3x square plus 5x minus 7 is equal to negative 1. Two answers. Two equations. 3x square plus 5x minus of 8, or 3x square plus 5x minus of 6 is equal to 0. Alright. So now I have two quadratic equations. Solving them by completing the squares. First of all, I need to take 3 common. 3x square plus 5 by 3x is equal to 8, or 3x square plus 5 by 3x is equal to 6. I hope it is clear. I'm just taking common from the first two terms. B over here, 2b over here is 5 by 3. So b should be 5 by 6. B square should be 25 by 36. Similarly for this, both the terms are same. So what I will do, I will add and subtract. So what I'm getting, I can also write these equations as x square plus 5 by 3x is equal to 8 by 3, or x square plus 5 by 3x is equal to 6 by 3, that is 2, right? So adding and subtracting 25 by 36. So x square plus 5 by 3x plus 25 by 36 minus 25 by 36 is equal to 8 by 3, or x square plus 5 by 5 by 3x plus 25 by 36 minus 25 by 36 is equal to 2. We get x, so plus of 5 by 6 whole square is equal to 8 by 3 minus, goes to the other side, becomes plus 25 by 36, or x plus of 5 by 6 whole square, negative goes to the other side, 2 plus 25 by 36. Simplify it, we get x plus 5 by 6 whole square is equal to, we'll take LCM over here, we get 36, and 12 eighths is 96. 96 plus 25 is 121, or x plus 5 by, one second, by 6 whole square is equal to, we'll take LCM over here, so 36 times 2 is 72, 72 plus 25, 72 plus 25, we get 97 by 36. Alright, taking roots, we get x plus 5 by 6 is equal to plus minus root of 21 is 11, 36 is 6, or we get x plus 5 by 6 is equal to plus minus root of 97 by 6. So this 5 by 6 goes to the other side, we get x is equal to negative 5 by 6 plus minus 11 by 6, or x is equal to negative 5 by 6 plus minus root of 97 by 6. So we can simplify these. X is equal to, if we add it, we get 6 by 6, that is 1. If we subtract these, taking negative sign, it is negative 11, negative 5, negative 16 by 6, that is 8 by 3. Or we get, we no need to simplify these, we can get two values from here also. Negative 5 plus root 97 by 6, or negative 5 minus root 97 by 6. So these are the four answers. I hope it is clear. This is negative 8 by 3. All right. A very good question. This is a real life problem given over here. That is, a projectile is going like this. This is the path of projectile. The equation of the projectile is over here. The question says we need to find the values of x and y. First of all, find the range of the projectile. So this range is measured by the distance from point O and point A. So difference of x's of the difference of the um, points of x from the coordinates of A and O will give us this particular range. Since O is 0, 0, so just the x coordinate of point A will give us the range. Now, how to find that with this equation? It is very clear that the coordinate of A is x, 0. X is the range, right? Or let me change it, because x is being used multiple times, so I can write it as it is q comma 0. Okay, so q is actually the range over here. So what we can do is we can find the answer by just substituting the value of y as 0. So we get the equation is y is equal to root 3x minus 49 by 9000 x square. So we substitute y is equal to 0, we get root of 3x minus 49 by 9000 x square. We can take x common and we are left with root of 3 minus 49 by 9000 x is equal to 0. So one case is when x is 0, another case is when root of 3 minus 49 by 9000 x is equal to 0. So from here we get x is equal to 9000 root of 3 by 49. So one value of x is equal to 0, which is for origin, and another value of x is this, and only these 2 points are where we can get y as 0. So it means the value that we are finding is point A that I was saying is 9000 root of 3 by 49 comma 0. It means range is equal to 9000 root of 3 by 49 units are meters. So meters. All right, so this is the range. Now part B says we need to find the topmost point. Okay, the maximum height, that is the topmost point that reached by this projectile. So in a parabola, the topmost point is always at the center of the range, which is x is equal to uh, minus b by 2a. All right, so if we have a quadratic equation, that is a x plus b ax square plus bx. So if we take common ax plus of b, so we get a x is equal to negative b, x is equal to negative b by a. This is the complete range. Now half the range is x is equal to negative b by 2a. So we already know the range. So half of the range is, it means x at that particular point, x1 will be 9000 root 3 by 49 times 2. That means x will be 4500 root 3 by 49. So this is the value of x, where y has the maximum height. So this is x1. Now we can just substitute this value and find the value of y1, because this coordinate is x1 comma y1, right? Substituting this value to the equation. So this is our equation over here. So I'm just taking this equation, I will substitute my x over here, I will get y. All right, so I have my equation. So y is equal to root of 3 times 4500 root 3 by 49 and minus of 49 by 9000 times 4500 over 49 root 3 times 4500 over 49 root of 3. So I'll simplify it. What I will get is root 3 3 4500 root, sorry, not root, times 3 by 49 minus of, we can simplify this, This is getting multiplied, so 49 cancels out with 49. This cancels out, we get 2 over here. So 4500 root of 3 into root 3 is 3 times 3 by 49 times 2. So if we subtract it, we get 2 times 4500 times 3 minus 4500 times 3 by 49 times 2. So 2a minus a. So this is 1 unit, a. So if I say 2a minus a, I'll get a, right? So 2 times 4500 times 3 minus 4500 times 3, I will get 4500 times 3 over 49 times 2. Okay, so answer for this should be, if I simplify it, what I will get is, if I use calculator, it will be something around 137 meters. Okay, so you can try, you can simplify it. So this will be the height for y. All right, I think that's enough for today. Stay tuned, we'll start with next exercise. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.